Lesson 18. Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting lesson with me, Queen Sanaz. I'm so happy to have you here today as we continue our journey through the 504 absolutely essential words. If you've been following along from the beginning, you've already learned hundreds of powerful and practical words that will boost your English vocabulary and help you sound more fluent and confident. And if you're just joining us now, don't worry. You can always go back and watch the earlier lessons or just jump in with us today. In this video, we're diving into Lesson 18, which includes 12 new words that are commonly used in everyday English, especially in reading, writing, and even in exams like TOEFL, IELTS, and GRE. I'll explain each word clearly, give you simple definitions, and of course, we'll go through example sentences together so you can see how these words are used in real life. I'll also share some tips to help you remember them more easily. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Lesson 18. Vocabulary. 1. Tragedy, disaster, catastrophe, misfortune. Comedy, success, blessing. The play ended in tragedy when the hero died saving his people. 2. Pedestrian, walker, foot traveler, driver, motorist. The city built new sidewalks to protect pedestrians from traffic. 3. Glance, glimpse, peek, quick look, stare, gaze. She took a quick glance at her phone before entering the meeting. 4. Budget, financial plan, spending limit, extravagance. We need to stick to our monthly budget to save for vacation. 5. Nimble, agile, quick, light-footed, clumsy, sluggish. The gymnast was so nimble that she landed every move perfectly. 6. Manipulate, control, handle, influence, mismanage, neglect. He skillfully manipulated the puppet with just 2 strings. 7. Reckless, careless, rash, irresponsible, cautious, careful, prudent. Reckless driving can lead to serious accidents. 8. Horrid, terrible, dreadful, awful, pleasant, delightful. The weather was horrid with heavy rain and strong winds. 9. Rave, praise, gush, rant, criticize, condemn. Critics raved about the actor's performance in the new film. 10. Economical, thrifty, frugal, cost-effective, wasteful, extravagant. Buying in bulk is often more economical than purchasing items individually. 11. Lubricate, oil, grease, moisten, dry, dehydrate. You should lubricate the hinges to stop the door from squeaking. 12. Ingenious, clever, inventive, resourceful, unimaginative, uncreative. Her ingenious solution to the problem impressed the entire team. Lesson 18. Reading. The Reckless Race. It was a bright Saturday morning when the city announced its annual pedestrian race through the historic downtown. Hundreds of participants gathered ready to test their nimble feet and quick reflexes. Among them was Leo, a young man known for his ingenious ideas and love for adventure. Leo had spent weeks preparing, carefully planning his route and adjusting his shoes to be more economical, lightweight, durable, and affordable. He even managed to lubricate the soles with a special gel to reduce friction and increase speed. As the race began, Leo took a quick glance at the crowd behind him. He noticed a few runners behaving recklessly, pushing others and ignoring safety signs. One of them, Max, was notorious for his dangerous stunts and lack of concern for rules. Despite the chaos, Leo stayed focused. He manipulated his pace strategically, slowing down near sharp turns and accelerating on straight paths. His ability to manipulate his movements with precision gave him an edge over others. Suddenly, a loud scream echoed through the street. A runner had tripped over a loose stone and fallen badly. The scene turned into a tragedy as paramedics rushed in. The crowd grew silent, and even the most competitive runners paused in shock. Max, however, continued running, ignoring the injured participant. His behavior was not just hurried, it was heartless. Spectators began to rave about Leo instead, praising his sportsmanship and calm demeanor. At the finish line, Leo didn't win first place, but he won something far more valuable: respect. Reporters interviewed him, asking about his strategy and mindset. He smiled and said, "It's not about being the fastest, it's about being smart, safe, and kind." The city awarded him a special medal for his economical design and ingenious approach. That day, Leo proved that true victory lies not in reckless speed, but in thoughtful action and compassion. That's a wrap for lesson 18 of the 504 absolutely essential words. You did an amazing job today. Seriously, give yourself a round of applause. We covered powerful vocabulary like tragedy, nimble, ingenious, and reckless words that will take your English to the next level. Remember, learning vocabulary isn't just about memorizing definitions. It's about understanding how to use these words in real life, in your conversations, your writing, and even your dreams. So, keep practicing, keep reviewing, and don't forget to challenge yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting English content. I'll see you in lesson 19, where we'll unlock even more amazing words together. Until then, stay curious, stay confident, and keep shining. Bye for now.